So related to internet is working, so you have to update the Wi-Fi driver and LAN driver. So go to hp.com and then extract 3 dot to click support and then software and driver. Then click to laptop. Then type HP Omen X. Monitor, desktop and all in one. Select operating system. Submit. Scroll down. Find out network driver, extract. So this is Wi-Fi driver, this is NIC card. So first download Wi-Fi. It is ready to install. Start for downloading. Then slow down, download the more driver. This is downloading. You can see this. Now again select the operating system and submit. Then driver and network. Then try to this one NIC network driver. Okay, second one also started for downloading. So first we'll complete it, just single click to open. Then yes. So you can see this is wireless. Okay, this is AC model number. Next. I accept and then next. So second one also completed. So this is installing the CMD. Minimize, then try to LAN driver. NIC network interface card driver. Next. I accept. Next. Okay, then next to install. After that restart your system. Thank you. Right, next.